Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to unlink Facebook from Instagram account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Instagram, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top right of the screen. There you tap on settings. Here you can see the option of account, you tap on it. Here you need to tap on sharing to other apps. There you can see my Instagram account has been linked to my Facebook named as Nancy Abbott. You need to tap on it. Now here you need to tap on account center. Inside account center you need to tap on accounts and profiles. Inside accounts and profile you need to tap on Facebook. Now to remove your Facebook account from Instagram, you need to tap on remove from account center. Here you need to tap on continue, tap on remove Nancy Abbott, and with that my Facebook account has been removed from my Instagram account. This is how you can unlink Facebook from your Instagram account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to unlink Facebook from your Instagram account. Thank you.